What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to do a battery charging speed test of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. For this testing purpose we will use this 45-watt charger along with official Samsung cable that comes in the retail box and this another smartphone for timer purpose. So right now the battery is totally dead. So let's just start our test and let's see how much time it's going to take in charging the battery from 0% to 100% of our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So after 10 minutes it's at 20%, so let's switch on the device now. So here you can see that it is showing super fast charging. It is at 21% and it will take 57 minutes more in reaching 100%. Right now it is at 21% after 11 minutes. So after 20 minutes, the battery is at 37% and it will take 49 minutes more in reaching 100%. So it's 30 minutes now, and after 30 minutes the battery percentage reached to 52 and it is showing that it will take 40 minutes more. But considering that it reached to 52% after 30 minutes, we can assume that it will take 30 minutes more nearly in reaching from 52 to 100%. Usually the last few minutes it takes a bit more time, so let's see how much time it will take exactly. So after 40 minutes it's at 66% now. So after an hour the battery percentage moved to 92 and it is showing that it will take 14 minutes more in reaching 100%. %96% after 1 hour 10 minutes. And here we go. So it took a bit more than 73 minutes in charging the battery from 0% to 100% of our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So it will take around 75 minutes, less and more depending on how you are using your device, how many applications are running in the background, etc. In our test it was 73 minutes 35 seconds. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.